Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the bootloader menu on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button and tap on the power off option. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. So let's press and hold the two buttons. And after a couple of seconds, you should see this menu on the screen. That means we entered the bootloader menu. To move through this menu, we can use the up and down, volume up and volume down buttons, like this. And to confirm the selections, we can press the power button. In this menu, we have options like Start, Restart Bootloader, Recovery Mode, Power Off, Barcodes, and Bootloader Logs. To exit this menu, you can either select Start or Power Off, depending on what you want to do with your phone. If you want to turn it off, select the Power Off and press the power button. If you want to restart into system, select Start and press the power button. And that's how you enter the bootloader menu on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.